Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about Reddit ads, understanding this platform and how you can use this for advertising purposes. Also, we'll see where all Reddit ads appear on the platform, and then what are the different types of Reddit ads formats. So Reddit ads is a paid advertising service provided by Reddit, wherein you are able to advertise your business on their platform and you're able to attract 500 million plus monthly active users. Now, these users can be of different types coming from based on various audience targeting, engaged communities are there, which you can ideally target over here and show your ads on them. Now, in this, different types of ads can be created, which are promoted ads. And what has been seen is that 22% higher engagement than other platforms due to the users actively seeking content. So this platform turns out to be really useful for running marketing purposes, where you're able to reach out to your targeted audience because of the huge amount of traffic this platform gets on a daily basis. Now, the different types of ads which we can create here on Reddit ads is going to be promoted posts, which you can do, wherein you can have ads with text, images, videos, GIFs added in that in organic post. You can also do free form ads, which are like long form, customizable ads with text, images, videos, and links for storytelling. Image ads, video ads, carousel ads you can create here. Conversation ads as well can be created, which are placed above comment threads to spark discussions. Now, where all these ads can appear, so there are various placements on Reddit where these ads can appear. So first is home and popular feeds section of users, subreddit feeds, can also be there specific communities where the ads can come, conversation placements, ads above comment sections can appear, search pages, ads can also appear on the search results pages of high intent users seeking for specific topics. In addition to this, there are some premium placements, which is first view ads. They can appear on top ad on home or popular pages for 24 hours. You can do that. Takeover ads, which can dominate home, popular, and category specific pages for 24 hours. Trending takeover ads are amplified across popular and search section of the trending topics. In addition to this, placement notes. So ads also are shown across desktop, mobile optimized visuals, critical. Okay. And managed ads require Reddit's sales team coordination specifically if you want to run managed ads on self-serve available via the ads manager. So these are all the different placements where Reddit ads can be shown and you can target these placements to show your ads on them. I hope this makes sense. I hope you have a basic understanding of what are Reddit ads, what are the different types of ads we can create here, and where all these ads appear. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.